because you are scared that I might leave you. Well, why should I leave you? Baby, please don't talk to me that way.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I know my hair looks crazy, like I literally need to take these braids off. I know it looks crazy, but I hope you guys are doing well. Do I even still know how to vlog, share? But hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please do subscribe, and if you are coming back, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. Okay, so today is a Saturday. It's a Saturday morning. I just woke up because I slept very late. I literally slept in the morning. So now the time is around 11 and I'm starting my day. So I want to take you guys with me through my day. I'm not sure how long this vlog is gonna be. It will depend, but yeah, I just missed vlogging. So please do like this video. Nina guys, you don't like my videos and that is not helping with the algorithm guy YouTube. So please, if you are watching, please do like this video so that it can reach more people and that my channel may grow and that I may be motivated to create more content. Because if you guys don't like my videos and you don't comment, I'm not sure if you're enjoying my videos, and my channel is not growing and it just makes me feel so demotivated. So yeah, if you didn't know, now you know. Please like my videos and leave a comment to help with the algorithm so that YouTube may make my videos appear to more people. Please guys, please. And if you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. And yeah,
because you don't seem to know that you are everything a girl could dream of. Baby, won't you hear me? Don't talk to me that way, 'cause I think you're perfect for me, just the way you are. And I don't ever want to leave you. Baby, won't you hear me when I say, don't talk to me that way, 'cause I think you're perfect for me, just the way you are. And I don't ever want to leave you. Baby, don't you talk to me that way.
What's up with you, sis?
yeah, right.
Same, ne? Same. I repeat your question.
Thank you.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails would never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's sudden. Got the look on your face. It's too hard to explain, but you hurt me too. Then we make love when we are done. Breaking up and then get back together. Oh, you're the trigger to my gun. But like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the words is the pain when you're breathing out my name. Gloria, please. Don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Gloria, please. Oh, Gloria, please. Don't cry for me. Why do everything that's good in life always come to an end? We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got a look on your face. But the words is the pain when you pronounce my name. And you say, Gloria, please. Don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please. Don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Oh, yeah. I would try not, yeah, to cry. Gloria, Gloria, please. When you pronounce my name, oh, Gloria, please.
Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. Ooh. Guys, so good morning. It's like, this is the time right now. It's like 5:42 in the morning, and yeah, I just woke up. Anaptongo. It's Sunday today. Yesterday I went to Soweto. A vilakazi street, and it was actually my first time, and shame, it's a nice place and I really enjoyed. And yeah, so then I'm kind of cleaning. I didn't do anything, so now I'm trying to do that. I'm cleaning my room, and I think I'm gonna pick an oats and yeah, start my day. I have a very special client today. I have a client today, so I want to clean now. Yonke be right, so that I can get ready for my client. So now I'm just gonna wash the dishes, depeg and dike, and go on with the rest of my day. I'm not sure if I'm gonna show you guys my client, depending on how comfortable she is, but yeah, let's get into it. Yeah. If you get it back, get into it. Yeah. Yo, Betuna guys, I just want to tell you this. I have a challenge, okay? Ifoni yami bimoshakele ngoJanuary, like the whole of January bingasebenzi, and I want to fix it. So they fixed it, but now the front camera is like really bad. I can't use it to vlog because andiyazi manini enkungu apha engathi wayibamba pha kwicamera. I don't know what happened, but engathi ndingayivula and then wipe there and then it will be fine. But now I've been trying to open it and I can't, and ndonqena ukunyanzelisa and then ndiphethe ndimosha ifowuni yam. So I'm vlogging with the back of my camera, and it's quite a challenge. I just noticed that on the previous clip that I just did now, ndizikhathile like inhloko yami ayivelanga yonke ndivele from here. So you guys will just have to There's nothing I can do. It's really hard vlogging with the back camera because I can't see myself. But guess what, Satini? We move.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go. Boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go. Boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Go ahead and tell your friends.
So here I am cooking my oats. Dalanda ikubela. I think you've got two.
I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Go ahead and tell your friends. Talk it out, but it won't end.
Guys, so I wanted to catch the sunrise, but I'm a bit late, but not too late. But yeah, I can't believe indlela ixesha likhawuleza ngayo. Like ibingu-5 ngoku sekuyoba u-7 xa ndiphuma phandle and kuyakhanya. Like what liyakhawuleza shem, amfuni ngingasho. Kuphole kamnandi, kuyavakala kuzoba shushu emini ke phofu. But yeah, I'm looking for indawo endingabeka kwi-phone yam, guys, so that you can see me there. Mara akho kwandawo. So izothini ke ngoku?
Oh, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go. Boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go. Boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you
Guys, so my client cancelled on me this morning. She's not gonna be able to make it, so postpone it for another day. So I decided to just go to church. So I'm going to church. I'm so happy, but I'm late. I'm very late. I'm waiting for my friend Ugugu. She's actually the one who's making me late, because I'm not now, and it's my first time in that church. So imagine Afika get so late. We are about to 10 and I think I'm 9:30, but I'm cautious. So yeah, but I'm waiting for her, and I'm not wearing makeup today. I'm just wearing my lipstick, because these days I'm just so lazy to wear makeup. I don't know why, but yeah, going to church. I'll see you guys later. Guys, so it's like a few days later. Sunday we went to church. with my friend Ukuku. And when we got there, guys, I need to be so babin, like it was our first time, and Afika past the foreigners zodwa. The foreigners zodwa, meaning they were doing izinto zabo in their foreign language, like everything, like the worship songs, guys, they were singing into esingayavayo yo. Ayibo, what a joke. Like, so sahlala enkonzweni ukubona ba besenkonzweni kodwa uvana ubusenkonzweni, because you can't even hear the worship songs. So we had to leave phakathi. So I think sahamba kushunyayela because wow, honey, what the hell.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but
what a joke, my darling.
you don't wanna be
Anyway, so we are looking for a church, guys, and I took off my
you were never true to heart.
but you guys don't mind.
You know